The data entry, or D sheet, is the principal data entry point for our planning software system. The first step in using Insight Planning software is to import or enter the credit union's financial data into the D sheet. The data entry sheet is the page where current and prior year financial data is entered or imported. There are several ways to enter data into the D sheet. Please note, more detailed explanations of each of these features are available in other video tutorials on our blog. You can manually enter your data into the D sheet. You can download and import your data from your credit union's NCUA Online call report files. You can use our GL mapping feature to import data from your data processing system, or you can import data from a previous year's Insight workbook. Let's take a quick tour and look at some of the features of the D sheet. Again, these features are explained in more detail in additional video tutorials. If you click the All button, you can expand or collapse all of the sections of the D sheet at once. You can click the gray plus and minus buttons to collapse or expand a section at a time. The Show GL Mapping button displays the GL mapping column. By clicking Column Options, you are able to select to display GL mapping, monthly, or yearly columns on the D sheet. Clicking on the Import CU Data button will call up the Import screen, where you can choose to import data from an NCUA call report, from a previous year's workbook, or from your GL accounts. You can turn your budget off and on at any time during the year by using the Budget Off/On toggle button on the D sheet. Clicking this button toggles the worksheet back and forth between Budget On and Budget Off settings. Clicking the Wizards button will call up our interactive wizards that walk you through Insight step by step. The Help button will bring you to our Insight to Insight blog, where you can watch video tutorials and keep up to date with new updates and enhancements to Insight. Clicking on the Insight Options button will call up the AHO Options window, where you can further customize your settings within Insight. Thank you for using Insight Planning software.